I'm the new chef today. As you can see, self-explanatory. This is how we go about this. It's a easy process. You grab your brush, you caress your dough just like I'm doing. You do it pretty nice. Ooh, I like this. Yeah, guys, I'm taking you through this routine of making this beautiful pastry. You know.
Did you take cooking classes?
Yeah.
Ever?
I've been doing cooking and preparation of the dough. It's been a while, and this is kind of ingrained in me at this point. But yeah, it's never bad to share with you guys how I go about this. You put your oil. I like to use vegetable oil, but I believe you can also use your canola oil and all that other types of oils that you use. But yeah, here we go. Pretty nice. The next stage of this process is to put the dough in the oven. My oven right now is preparing, is setting up, it's preheating, but in the next minutes, I feel like it's ready and we good to go. Here we go to put our dough in the oven. Yeah. I can't wait to cook this.
That's how it's going. Yes, looks good. I should have rubbed it with egg on top, but it's still good. Oh my God, how are we gonna lift this with one hand? I'll do. Okay, it is ready. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, the egg wash definitely made a difference. We can see it. I have to hold it. This is a weak thing. I can't. Okay, absolutely stunning, as you can see. These are rice pockets. I wanted to eat something nice, but I didn't want to eat the rice the way it is. I decided to make some hot pockets, which are full of rice inside. I would like to show you guys. They turned like this, just rice, simple as that. And they're hot as hell. Bon appetit, y'all. Oh well, it's time to check it out, because these we made today, the pockets. I wanted to dip them in a soup. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Definitely worth it. Look at that. They're like rice cakes, but hot cakes. I called them pockets because they look like a pocket. This was worth it. Bon appetit, y'all.